Hello. Recently, we looked at the current data type. Let's proceed with our discussion of data types. And in this video, we shall be looking at numeric data types. These use int when you need to store a whole number without decimals like 35 or 100 or 8, -10, -20. And they also use float or double when you need to store a floating number. That is a number that has decimals like 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, and so forth. So if I have a number like x and x is 5, then I will simply use the data type int. If it is maybe y, and y is a floating value, I will not use int, I will use float. I'll have a float y, and I assign this value to maybe 7.8, terminate that. If it is a double value, still a floating value, I could have it as double. Maybe z assigned to 8.98, terminate. So float and double, the precision of a floating point value indicates how many digits the value can have after the decimal point. And we said that the precision of a float is 6 or 7 decimal digits, while that of a double variable is about 15 digits. Therefore, it is safer, it is better to use double in most of the calculations. Okay, but double takes as twice as much memory as float, because the floating values take up a memory of 4 bytes, whereas the double values take up a memory space of 8 bytes. So using float means that you're taking up more memory space. In other words, your application will in turn be heavier, will be bigger. However, if you're doing calculations, it is safer to use the double data type. A floating number can also be a scientific number represented in terms of exponential numbers. Maybe we have our y being the same as 2 exponential 5. What this means is 2 times 10 to the power 5. If I print out the value of z, let's try to print out this value. I'm going to print f percentage d. This is percentage f, and then we are printing out the value of y. Let's print out the value of y. Definitely terminate that statement. So if we build and run this, we shall have 2 times 10 to the power 5. You can see we have 20, this is 200,000. Those are 5 zeros, okay? So float is also used to represent exponential values. Same as double, you can also use it. So we can have our percentage d. Sorry, this is percentage LF for the double, it's not percentage d. And our double value was 8.98. So let's make it maybe 40 exponent 5. So this means it is 40 times 10 to the power 5. Okay, so if I build and run that, we have, sorry, let me close that. Then I build and run. We have, I think it has to be percentage LF, then Z. Okay? This value is Z, is not Y. Like that. Let's build and run that. We have 40 times 10 to the power 5. That gives us something like 400. So it is 4 million. Gives us 4 million. 40 times 10 to the power 5 is 4 million. See it being printed out here. So we can also use double and float interchangeably. We use it also represent exponential values. And thank you very much.